Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shazwan Aslan. My matric number is AA190932. Okay, today I will present about our project Rain Alam. Okay, the first one is introduction. Okay, the first one is there are many useful devices and play important role in various industries such as automobile, irrigation and wireless communication. Okay, and the rain alarm system which has a great significance in harvesting water. And then the rain alarm system also help detect the rain by giving alarm while you are resting in the home, so that you will notify you to take necessary action such as okay. And then designing the rain alarm system is quite simple. It also save your time and money. Okay, and then why we choose this project? Because the system make the harvesting more efficient by enable you to manage your harvesting when outside is rain. Why notify you by the alarm sound? That is output of the buzzer that we input in the circuit, and it's also a simple circuit, reliable and consume less power. The objective is the alarm will buzz when it detect rainwater. Important role in various industries such as automobile, irrigation and wireless communication. It also require the alarm system. And lastly is there is a relatively cheap and higher reliable. We can get the great circuit by the cheap prices. Okay, and then the advantage of rain alarm. We can look at here that there is a circuit of rain alarm. Okay, the first advantage is conserve water during rain event. The second is prevent groundwater and waterways pollution. The third one is prevent diseases, damage and nutrient loss. The last advantage is consume low power for operation. Yeah, as I mentioned before, cheap, the consume less power. This is why we choose the rain alarm circuit, the alarm system. Okay, and then limitation of project. The first is system function when water falls on the sensor directly. That's mean the buzzer only notify you if the rain or the water fall directly on the sensor. Okay, and then this sensor requiring a few minutes for the rain sensor to take decision. This is because in order to avoid false detection of rain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Fitri bin Farizal. My matrix number is AA181886. We're going to the methodology. Our project is about a rain sensor. We can see here a rain sensor or rain switch is a switching device active by rainfall. The circuit will operate when the rain sensor detects some water. There are two main applications for rain sensor. That was a water conservation device connected to an automatic irrigation system that caused the system shut down in the event of rainfall. The rain sensor work on principle of total internal reflection, uh, which is when the rain fall into the plated of a sensor. The technique makes use of infrared radiation, an infrared light beam at 45-degree angle on a clear area of the windshield from the sensor inside the car. When it rains, the wet glass causes the light to scatter and lesser amount of light get reflected back to the sensor. When the amount of light reflected back reduced to a level preset by software inside the sensor, it automatically switch on the buzzer. As we can see here, when it's raining, uh, it's using a internal reflection, which is uh, an infrared light beam at 45-degree angle on a clear area of windshield from the sensor inside the car. Uh, we can we can conclude that without water, the sensor cannot be functioning. After that, we go to the flowchart of circuit. This is the flowchart how the circuit operate. First of all, we need rainwater. After that, rain sensor, amplifier, timer IC, output a sound from buzzer. Rainwater, which is is an important thing with this circuit. Without rain water, the circuit cannot be functioning. After that, amplifier go to the timer IC and output a sound from buzzer. We can see the flowchart here. When we start the circuit, it is in initialization. After that, there are two choice: either there is no rain or there was a rain. If no rain, which is in dry condition, it will be back to the rain, which is will ask again no or yes rain. After that, if the sensor detect a rain in wet condition, it will make a sound from buzzer and the circuit will end. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abrahman. My number is 88190732. I will present result and discussion. Alright. Firstly, this is a systematic skirt which I draw with the eagle. X1 for the battery and X2 for the rain sensor. Okay. This is our group bill of material. We use two capacitor, one IC, and four resistor, and a buzzer, and one NPN resistor. Okay, the next one, this is PCB layout. This is our PCB. And our track. The next is the PCB component. The last one is rain sensor. For sensor, we use a backlight or mica plate. And then the aluminum wire, they fix on the board. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan informasi number 8819. Yeah. So I will briefly explain about the conservation potentials. In this part, I will touch on 3 points, which is our benefits of conservation, costing products, and how to sell. So, conservation in this studies means we are committing or moving technology into a place to make profit. Technology refers to know-how methods, patent or others, a proprietary process, and or product facilities, system, and others. So, as technology develops quickly, so does the life cycle. It tends to decrease faster and the importance of the success. Hence, the commercialization of advanced technology is good. So what are the benefits of the product that we work on? It is a sensing system that sends rainfall effects accordingly, that is known as a rain sensor. So it should be known away from objects such as trees or roofs specifically. It should be at an open space, hence it can collect the rainwater without problem. So it actually works simply but also useful. The alarm or buzzer will be triggered whenever the amount of water absence. The sensor will be alert, so user can be well prepared. For user who are using irrigation system, it could be useful help for them to conserve water every time is needed. This also is very cheap and highly reliable. So moving on to the next part, which is our costing of products. So the component that I use in this project is hard timer IC, total sensor itself, transistor DC547 resistor. We convert a variable of resistor in terms of ohm, buzzer, capacitor, and of course our supply DC. So total that cost us is 48.96 cents Malaysian. So how do we sell our products? So our idea is to set up an online shopping platform that is very demanding these days, such as Shopee, Lazada, or Facebook, and other platforms. So the idea is to promoting the product with flyers or poster or brochure so that people can reach in various ways. Other than that, we plan to introduce to a specific user that will be our product and that will use our product in the industry. So basically it is to have a target customer. And lastly is to promote the product through the social media platform. That is very highly recommended in this nowadays. So that's all for my part. We'll continue with the others.
Okay, now we go to the last of our presentation is conclusion. Okay, to make it simple, the rain alarm is essential for fertilizer and cottage industries. This project easily constructed using simple electronic component such as sensor, timer, buzzer, and many more and others. With the use of the circuit, we can solve our day-to-day problems. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.